Hi, please remember to subscribe and leave a comment below on what you would like to see under the microscope. Today we're going to be looking at the Trolli candy, and as always we begin by preparing a slide and making sure our sample is thin enough for the light to pass through. We are now under the microscope. Let's see what we can find. That's interesting. It looks like we have found a piece of microplastic. Now, if it weren't for it being red, we probably wouldn't have been able to spot it. It's rumored that this stuff is in many of our packaged foods, and that consuming a lot of them can be harmful to our bodies. That's kind of a neat find. I'm going to come back to that when we go to the greater magnification. We now have increased the magnification, so let's go find our piece of microplastic and take a closer look at it. There it is. Looks like a ribbon. I mean, it's plastic, but it looks like a ribbon. Just stuck in all that sugary goodness mixture. That's going to do it for this video. Please remember to subscribe and like and leave that comment about what you would like to see under the microscope. And with that, I'll hopefully see you next time.